Missouri's Attorney General went to Washington today to argue about U.S. and Mexico border rules. ABC 17 News anchor Lucas Geisler is live with me in studio tonight. And Lucas, Attorney General Eric Schmitt wants to keep a Trump-era border policy in place.
Deborah, he and Texas AG Ken Paxton sued President Joe Biden when the president tried to end the migrant protection protocols, also known as Remain in Mexico. He says the rule, which requires people trying to get into the U.S. from Mexico to stay in Mexico until their court date, it helps protect states like Missouri from crime. On the steps of the U.S. Supreme Court, Missouri Attorney General Eric Schmitt shared his thoughts on the state's closeness to the country of Mexico.
Every state is a border state, and I view Missouri as a proxy for all the other states that are impacted by the crisis we have at the border, a man-made crisis created by Joe Biden.
Schmitt joined Texas in a lawsuit over President Biden ending the migrant protection protocols this summer. That Trump-era rule required those seeking asylum in the U.S. from Mexico to stay in Mexico until their court date. Critics of the rule say it forces migrants to live in poor conditions and sometimes puts them in harm's way. But Schmitt says letting them into the U.S. opens up the country to those trying to sell drugs or people.
The fentanyl, the human trafficking, the drug trafficking, it doesn't stop in El Paso. It doesn't stop in McAllen. It ends up in Kansas City, and in St. Louis, and Columbia, and in Columbus, Ohio, and in Denver, and all points across the United States.
Taylor Levy, an immigration attorney opposed to the rule, says the president should have the power to set immigration policy.
Remain in Mexico, the migrant protection protocols has been really one of the worst things that we've ever seen coming out of the Trump administration, and it's lasting now simply because, states are saying that we can't change the policies.
A lower court denied the president's attempt to end the policy for not following federal rules in doing so. Now, this rule is different than Title 42, which is another Trump-era rule that sped up removal hearings of undocumented immigrants in the U.S. A district court also stopped the Biden administration from ending that rule last night.
All right, Lucas, thank you. There's no word on when the Supreme Court will decide the Remain in Mexico case.